is Oline, and I study front-end and mobile development at Kristiania University. I chose SLTC because of its strong connections to the industry and because of their innovative technology approach. I also wanted to try to study in a different culture environment and try to get out of my comfort zone. And Sri Lanka seems like a very great fit for that.
My name is Evie and I'm studying front-end and mobile development at Kristiania University in Norway. I chose SLTC to get out of my comfort zone and immerse into a new learning environment, and also to experience the Sri Lankan culture while studying.
Yes, the academic experience has been great. The lectures are really a mixture of very interactive methods like discussions, group projects, presentations, and practical sessions. And the lectures really encourage us to do critical thinking and apply concepts to the real world. And also the faculty has been really kind and supportive and really helpful if we have questions or need adjustments in the subjects. Yeah, it's been great.
The hostels we lived at was very nice and with big rooms and very close to the academic facilities. Also very close to the canteen, which had local and international food options. And with the 24/7 security staff, we felt safe at all times. My favorite part about this semester was the people. All of the students and the staff was very welcoming at first and made me feel at home. I also liked the group projects and the workshops, which made friends through there. And the school also has some sports team, which also is nice for making friends.
My experience with exploring Sri Lankan culture has been great. I have traveled a lot across the country and visited places such like Sigiriya and do the hike up to Lions Rock. Visited Kandy and the temples there. I think my favorite part has been going to the south coast and the beaches there because I really like to surf. There are also many great options for cooking classes, dance classes, and also the local people are very hospitable. Everyone's very nice. I would recommend SLTC because of the great academics here, and there's also a very dynamic campus life, and also because of the great cultural experience. If I should give any advice to new students, it would be to have an open mind, engage in activities, and ask questions.
I would recommend SLTC to other international students because it's a gateway for growth and adventure, and I would advise them to step out of the comfort zone and engage with locals and travel. And I would consider this semester as a highlight of my academic journey.